I will share 3 stocks for intraday trading for 18th August, Wednesday, along with logic. Hello, I'm Sumit, intraday trader in Bank Nifty options with more than 4 years experience. I earned 12% return for July month after cost. So the first stock is Godrej Consumer Products. So this is a FMCG stock. This is the daily chart we can see on the screen. So the last candle was a big bullish candle. It broke above the previous 6 candles and the volume is also increasing, so it is a bullish sign. It is trying to break above 1025, so it looks bullish for me. So now where we should enter, what should be our entry point? So we will change the time frame to 1 hour. So now this is a 1 hour chart. As we can see here, again it is a bullish sign. See, the volume is increasing, so it is showing that it is trying to move up. But where should we enter? So as we can see here, we can enter somewhere around this level. 990 can be the good level, stop loss can be 980, and the target can be this 1010 and 1020. So if we again move on to 15 minutes, let us see what we get here. Again the same thing which I mentioned, 995 can be the good place. If it retraces here and then shows follow up, we can buy it for these levels. So moving on to the next stock, which is MGL, which is a gas stock. And first we'll see the daily chart so that we can get the overall view. So as we can see, all the gas and petroleum stocks are in uptrend. So the pattern which we are seeing here is it went down up, so it is in downtrend, but still it is at a support level of 1080. So this is a strong support level here, and 200 moving average is also here, so it can take support at this level. And the volume part, as we can see, the volume is trying to increase, so it can take a support at this level and move ahead. So this looks a good place for buying, for swing also, and for intraday also. So exact point where we can buy, we have to change the time frame. This is also called the multi time frame analysis. We see different time frames in the same stock to get an idea where we can buy. So as we can see here, see the volumes, green volumes increasing, so it's a bullish sign. And it can take, if I just zoom in, so we can buy at this level 1125, stop loss can be 1120, and target can be 1135 and 40. This is for intraday. You can hold this for swing also. So if we move to the 15-minute time frame, again the same thing, the volume is increasing and it is taking support at 1120. It can go towards 1135. So moving on to the next stock, which is Bajaj Auto, which is an auto stock. First we'll see the daily chart. As we can see here, the auto stock is at a crucial support level and it is taking support at 200 moving average. The volumes is also increasing, so the auto stocks can move ahead from here. So the candle of yesterday was also a green candle, so it almost engulfed the previous red candle. So the volume is increasing, it is taking support at 3700 levels. Now we will see 1 hour time frame to know where we can enter. So we can enter around 3775, around this level we can enter. This can be the stop loss, and the target can be 3850 levels. Around somewhere around this levels can be the target. So but for that we have to see where it opens. So after the open of tomorrow, where it opens, then we can decide our levels. So that levels we will share in our Telegram channel before the market open. So you can join our Telegram channel, link is in the description. So if we go to the 15-minute, again a bullish candles, volume is also increasing, so you can take support at this level. So this here you can do something like this, we can buy here, stop loss can be this, and target can be somewhere around these levels. So the exact levels I'll share in the Telegram. So these are the 3 stocks for today, and always risk less than 1% in any given trade. I will share the exact levels of entry, stop loss and target on my Telegram channel tomorrow, that is before market open at 9:13 a.m. Link of Telegram is in the description. Details of 1-year mentorship program in the description. Price just ₹999. Any doubts, WhatsApp on 7666 479 384. Thank you for watching. Learn trading and earn from trading. If you like this video, then you can follow us, subscribe us, and you can share with your trader friends. See you in the next video.